And I saw people are buying lots of medicine. I saw the people like 20, 30 medicine, one person. And one man who is younger than me and is buying the medicine, maybe 30 medicines. And I said, brother, you eat this all? He said, yes. It's all maintenance. I said, your food, maybe you don't need to eat food anymore. That's too much. 30 kinds of medicine and he's going to eat different medicine. I said, look at my life. My life is very good. I don't have any medicine. Free from medicine. Why? Because we believe in one God. We pray 5 times a day. We wake up early morning Fajr. We eat halal. We don't eat the pork. We don't eat the blood. Our animal we slaughter to remove the blood. We don't drink alcohol. We don't take smoking. We don't take the drugs. Beautiful life. Clean life. Nice life. Always going to masjid, go back, walking. Example, even you don't do any exercise. If you pray 5 times a day, there is a very good exercise already. Because you are exercising. When you fasting, all your disease gone away. Even cancer, no more. If you always fasting, you don't have any cancer in your body. Because when you are fasting, the cancer cannot grow anymore. And if ever you have a cancer in your fasting, the cancer will die. Because the cancer will be converted into energy. Even the Hajj, Hajj, Subhanallah. We go to the Umrah last December and I checked my cell phone, 17 kilometer. One day, 17 kilometer. Imagine you only for one Umrah, you need to walk 17 kilometer. It is Islam. This is Umrah. Hajj how many kilometer? You go Mina, you go Arafat, you go Muzdalifah. Maybe 100 kilometers in Hajj. What happened to your life? Your life is changed. 100 kilometers you walk. Hardship, living in the camp, this. And then when you go back, you have too much thanks to Allah that you have a very comfortable life. You realize it. Everything is giving you a good health here. Everything is giving you a good life. Good health, good heart. Everything is perfect. So everything in Islam is giving you a good life. So people who are committing shirk, they eat baboy, they drink alcohol, they don't have the faith in one God. So their life is miserable. So people who are committing shirk and kufr and disbelief, their life is miserable. That's why they are making suicide. Look how many people they make killing themselves. If you are a believer, you will never suicide. You are always happy. Your heart is always happy because you have a sukoon in your heart. But look at these people who are miserable. They are committing shirk. What is their life is miserable. They kill themselves. They take too much drug to kill themselves. They take too much alcohol to kill themselves. They take too much smoking to kill themselves. They jump from the building, they cut their vein, they cut their arms. They have very bad life because they have no Allah. So thanks to Allah that we have Allah. And we have Islam, this beautiful religion, which is giving us a very good life. And there's the promise of Allah in the Quran that if you obey Allah, you follow the commands of Allah, you believe, and you follow the commands of Allah, Allah will give you Hayatul Tayyibah, the clean life. And of course in the hereafter, it's safe from the hellfire and go to paradise in Jannah.